Hi guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to talk about how to use OnlyFans. So it's a kind of a creator or a social media platform. So search OnlyFans or you can search it on your browser or in your iOS store or Play Store. So once you have entered, you will see there is an option. It's a kind of like an mixture version of Snapchat. No, I'm sorry, not Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. It's a mixed version. So, so first of all, you have to sign up. So for signing up, you can just have access on OnlyFans. So yep, you can earn from here plus itself, but plus in OnlyFans there is an option which is freedom. Like you can talk whatever you want, so no one will bother you. Safety, and it's also gaming. They have a very good safety environment. Plus, you can see on the bottom there are the description about there are almost 4,000 plus creators, 7 over 1 million plus. Keeps 80% of your earning. Like only they are taking 20% of your earning. So yeah, it's a very great platform to earn. So this was it. I hope this videos will help you to know about the OnlyFans. Thank you for watching the video.